Welcome back, gamers. Today, we have an exciting product to review that's bound to take your gaming experience to the next level. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the features, performance, and overall experience of the Lenovo Legion 5 gaming laptop. Get ready to unleash the powerhouse. First impressions matter, and Lenovo has nailed it with the Legion 5. The sleek, premium design boasts a stealthy matte black finish with stylish blue accents that give it a distinctive gaming look. This laptop means business. Under the hood, the Legion 5 packs a serious punch. Equipped with the latest Intel, AMD processors and NVIDIA graphics, this gaming laptop delivers exceptional performance. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or tackling resource-intensive tasks like video editing, the Legion 5 handles it all with ease. Gone are the days of compromising on visuals. The Legion 5 features a stunning 15.6-inch Full HD display with a high refresh rate, ensuring smooth gameplay and sharp visuals. With narrow bezels and Dolby Vision support, you'll be fully immersed in your gaming universe. Gaming laptops are notorious for heating up, but Lenovo has taken care of that. The Legion 5 comes equipped with an advanced cooling system that ensures optimal performance even during intense gaming sessions. Dual fans, improved heat pipes, and strategically placed vents keep the temperatures in check, allowing you to stay in the game for longer without any hiccups. The Legion 5 understands the importance of personalization. With a fully customizable RGB keyboard, you can set the mood to match your gaming style. Choose from a variety of colors and effects, and even assign macros to different keys for that extra competitive edge. Storage is another crucial aspect for gamers, and the Legion 5 doesn't disappoint. With multiple storage options, including lightning-fast SSDs, you'll have ample space to store your favorite games, videos, and more. And with a plethora of ports, including USB-C, HDMI, and more, connecting peripherals and accessories is a breeze. A great gaming experience isn't just about visuals. Sound plays a significant role too. The Legion 5 features top-notch audio with immersive 3D sound and Harman speakers, allowing you to hear every footstep and explosion in stunning detail. And thanks to its long-lasting battery life, you can game on the go without worrying about running out of juice. There you have it, folks. The Lenovo Legion 5 gaming laptop has undoubtedly impressed us with its powerful performance, immersive display, advanced cooling, and customizable features. If you're a serious gamer looking for a high-performance laptop that won't break the bank, the Legion 5 should be at the top of your list. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep gaming. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. See you in the next one.